Hello, in today's video I'm taking you along with me as I reset my office. This is where I spend a lot of my time in my week, and as I'm in the throes of creativity or video editing, it can become a little chaotic, but it is the first room to the right of my entrance with no doors to close off the chaos, so it needs to become a little less chaotic. Plus, the layout of my desk is just not working for me. The PowerPoints are behind this buffet, so I'm constantly dealing with exposed cords. So today, I'm seeing if I can reconfigure this space to make it more user-friendly for me. And if you're also dealing with an area that's not working for you, let's do it together. As I'm working through the space, let's catch up. I've had a very interrupted night's sleep last night. I've been working on a longer video, over 45 minutes in length, and I've been working on it for the last 4 days. Last night, I went to export it and it failed twice. In the end, I went to bed and tried to forget all about it until the morning. Unfortunately, that didn't work, and I woke up in the middle of the night at about 4 o'clock thinking that maybe the issue was that there were too many people using the internet at the time that I was trying to export it, and that's maybe why the export failed. And I thought that if I tried to export the video at 4 a.m., this would not be an issue as everyone else would be asleep. Needless to say, it didn't work, and it just kept sending me error messages that I've been fixing one by one with each new attempt at exporting the video. I'm definitely no IT genius, and I'm completely self-taught in this sector. So I find problem solving on tech issues very challenging. Give me a mathematical problem and I'll solve it. But an IT problem, just shoot me right now, please. So the lack of sleep has led to lethargy and an inability to stay on target. So today, instead of going out and filming outdoors, i.e. shopping, I only had the energy to reset my office, which will calm my mind. I call this pottering. If I feel unsettled, then reorganizing a space gives me a sense of accomplishment and rebalances me. Plus, a good night's sleep tonight will also help, provided I can get this video to work properly. I've been getting weird error messages on my last Kmart video too, the one that went up last week, which also took me 3 full days to edit and export for the same reason. I've done all the obvious things, and now I think I may have found what the issue is. It has to do with a setting that has been an update when I updated the settings of my editing software, which basically has been set to machine learning. And that's what the error message keeps coming up with. And I found where that setting is, and I've changed it in all the frames that I feel may be impacted by this. So I'm exporting again for the 7th time. Each attempt takes about 30 minutes, so it's very time consuming, which is eating into the buffer that I like to work to, where I'm a week ahead of each video release date. This gives me the flexibility to allow for anything unexpected that may happen, such as this. But if I don't get this resolved today, the only way I can catch up is to miss a midweek video going live, which I know you all enjoy, so I don't want to let you down. So fingers crossed, while I'm resetting my office, I can get my video to do its thing and create the export file for me. I want to move the desk against the back wall and move the buffet from the back wall to the window side. So the first step is to clear the space, unplug all the cords from the wall, and push the buffet to the window. This buffet is very heavy. You may recall that it was my old TV stand in my living room before the renovations, which I stripped and painted. I'll link a video up here in case you missed that. I have to say the paintwork has lasted quite well, no chips or scratches. The only thing is I want to replace the handles again, as now once the desk is against the wall, those Kmart handles on the buffet won't match the desk handles, which will be now visible. But that's not a today job. Today I'm just working with what's here and hopefully making it more useful.
Golden days drifting far away, light is leaving town, colors fade, but I'm thinking we stay just for a little while. Let's lose track of time, darling, stay for a little longer while I hold your time will wait. So just rest your head upon my shoulder, nothing in our way. It's colder but the day's not over yet. summer nights, watch them go by as we fight off the cold. Holding you tight, you know just what I'm thinking. I don't want this moment to go. No, I don't want this moment to go. Let's lose track of time, darling, stay for a little longer while I hold your time will wait. So just rest your head upon my shoulder, nothing in our way. It's colder but the day's not over yet.
Charlotte, could you come here for a minute, please? Just calling my daughter to see if she can come and help me.
Pull it out or pull it under?
Pull it under, yeah.
Under.
So,
I'm
thank you.
stepping on it. There's no still.
Huh?
Because you're stepping on it, it's still made a.
Oh, that's okay, that's fine. Thank you. Yep, that's fine.
Even though it's got a bump where the plant is.
Yes, I'm going to do that as well. Okay. Thank you. It's just, I'm going to get a bigger rug. I just need to
Yeah.
neat it and make it work a little bit. Actually, no, I'm going to do it a bit longer because I need this to belong to. Actually, okay, that glides in there perfectly. That's fine. Thank you. Thanks for that.
Good.
What do you think?
I don't know where you're going with all this room.
I know, it's nice to have a space, isn't it?
What are you going to do with it though? Everything's
I know,
just pushed to the wall.
I know everything's up against the wall, so it's not ideal. But I play with it because, I don't know, it was just too messy. So, I know everything's like, wherever it is. I think if I have a big rug here,
Yeah. It's
It
just
would
really
be
like
lighter.
ends.
yeah. But if I buy a big square rug, a nice big one, it will create that as a space on its own.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put bundles here
Oh yeah.
to close it off. So this could be like when I'm shooting, I can have my chairs here and I've got natural light directed towards me. Like if I'm styling things, I've got a blank, a white wall behind me. That's the plan anyway. Thank you.
Daisy got woken up. She's like, what? I had to leave the room. What's it for?
Unbelievable.
She was in there.
These jumpers are here. This has to be hung up. It's a t-shirt that I bought on Timu that I haven't worn yet. I just love the teddy bear. It reminds me of the Ralph Lauren teddy bear, like this jumper. And these jumpers I just washed, but I have to de-pure with this machine. Hence why it's up here. Okay, so I don't feel that that's like wasted time because while I've been waiting for my video to export and I've been trying to fix it, I've rearranged my office. So that's, you know, at least a task that's out of the way. I think that's the bulk of what I'm going to be doing in this office. I now need to really spend some time working out whether that's going to work or not, or what else I can do, because that's Saturday's video and today's Monday. So, yeah, it's stressful. I don't like working to such a tight timeline. I mean, I've done so in the past. I've worked to a tight time frame like this pretty much sometimes, especially due to IT problems. I find that I could be exporting a video Friday night, importing it Saturday morning to go live Saturday afternoon. That's tight. I've done that, and I don't like that feeling of being out of control, being out of sync. So hence why now I like to give myself a buffer to be able to get the videos up a week in advance so that I can live more in a relaxed frame of mind. Anyway, this has helped me settle down a little bit, calm myself. I've been able to tick off a project that's been at the back of my mind to do. Oh, failed again. Far out. 2:30. Over an hour just to fail again. And I've inadvertently clicked the remove button to see what the error message was. Okay, at least I've cleaned up my office today. Okay, shall we go and check if my video's finished exporting and it's come up correctly? Are you coming? No, not interested? Oh my god, it exported! Yes! Yes, yes! 20 to 6. Yes, it exported! Alright, now I just have to watch it to make sure that it exported correctly and then upload to YouTube. Yay! Last night we went out for a drive yesterday. We went to Warburton. Right, so I've watched that video. Finally, it's ready to upload, but I'm going to reset my desk so that I can finish this video as well and show you the finished look. Somehow, I don't think untangling all these cords is going to make for riveting viewing, so I'm just going to pause it here and come back and show you the finished look. Luckily, I don't believe in 7 years bad luck from breaking a mirror. Yes, so I tilted my desk in trying to move it and my makeup mirror died. So another excuse to buy something else. But anyway, now I've got to clean up this mess. Ugh, this project never ends. Okay, so this is the final finished look for now. I feel like I need a bigger rug to fill up this space, but that's an online order. It's going to take a while because I haven't quite decided what I want. But I definitely know that I want a big rug to fill up this space, which also make it easier when I'm filming to remove the echoiness from this room. Since I've broken the mirror, I need a new mirror for there. Since I put that candle on the bottom shelf, I think I'm going to need one of those flameless candles. Do you know what I mean? I've seen them at Kmart, the ones that don't have a real flame, but they look like they've got a flame. I think that would look really pretty there. And this is this corner, which is really out of the way. You don't really see it unless you come around the corner and look for it. But when you first look in the room, this is what you see. And I'm not displeased with this look. I think it might work better for me. Anyway, I feel like there's a little trip to Kmart to be done today. So as a reward, I'm going to take myself to Kmart. So I did go to Kmart and buy just a couple of things. Just those things that I needed for this office. Okay, no, I lied. I also got the flocked white coat hangers. I figured if they're offering them in white, and then I think I need to update mine slowly from black to white so that my wardrobe is cohesive and matches with the aesthetics of the outside. So I was going to replace the mirror that broke with another big Hollywood mirror, but I found from experience that big Hollywood mirror wasn't really as useful as I thought it would be. It just was too cumbersome, and I could never adjust the light to be exactly what I wanted it to be. So I ended up buying the heart-shaped LED mirror, which was only $19, I think. And I set this up on my vanity or on my desk. And then I did end up buying these 3 LED candles to replace the candle that I've put on that book stand or clothes stand, because I thought it might burn the bench on top of it. So I thought I'd replace it with this. So I'll do that, take some photos and show you. And you can change the color, pink, off white, yellow, warm, pink. That's it, 3 colors. Cute. I think I like it in the warm. But be careful, don't lift it up from here because it does come apart. And there is no way of clicking it in. So if you ever lift it, make sure you lift it from the bottom. I hope that you, along with me, were able to complete a task that you had been meaning to get through yourself too. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.